Good morning, people of the internet. I am Donnie. I'm sorry, people of the internet. But today is going to be the day where I eat a regular meal. No more rice and beans. Well, the initial challenge was 1 week. I did 2 weeks of only bean and rice. Rice and bean. Yeah, bean and rice. And I'm supposed to put B in alphabetical order. Bean starts with a B, so that's first. And rice. Yeah, bean and rice. So I did it for 2 weeks. Initial was 1 week. So that's pretty good. I did complete the challenge that other YouTubers are doing. No, not other YouTubers, that other people was doing. But I did not complete the challenge that I gave myself. But I'm not stressing too much on it, because I beat the first challenge. So I am tired of just the taste of rice and the taste of beans. I don't want any rice today. No rice today. No beans either. I still have some beans in my container. So I'm going to finish that over the course of this week. I'm not going to throw it away because I don't like wasting food. But it's July 4th today, so I'm going to be hearing a lot of fireworks today. I'm going to get some fireworks today too. They got a TNT store just right down the street. It's pretty cool. Normal food, not just bean and rice. I might have meal prep anymore. But I am going to go slow because I was talking to my boss, and he said that when vegetarians or vegans come back from that their body rejects it and they just throw it out, they just hurl it on the floor, and I don't want that. So I'm going to start off with a nice, very slow breakfast, and hopefully by today I can work myself up to maybe a pound of meat. For all those vegetarians and vegans or any type of people that are on a diet, I think it's like pescatarian where you guys only eat fish, I have so much respect for you guys now. It's just that I don't know how you guys did it. You guys do it. I've heard of this guy doing it for 5 years, this chick doing it for 7 years, and still going. Like, you guys, now knowing what I'm capable of in 2 weeks, yeah, not that much. You guys are awesome. Much respect to you guys. I've been so deprived. My taste buds, they've been deprived of yummy food. So I'm gonna go get some yummy breakfast, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Actually, before I eat some breakfast, I'm thinking about going for a run. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm dressed up now, got my sweats on, got a little sweater. It's still morning, so that means it's safe. Everybody's asleep. So I'm gonna go for a run, come right back, eat some breakfast, some yummy food finally. And we'll see you guys in a bit. So I had my first regular breakfast, which was noodles ramen, and I don't know why it was the hardest thing on earth. I had it right in front of me, and I just I guess I don't really like failing at challenges, even though I know I passed the first challenge. But the challenge I gave myself was for 1 month, and I'm only halfway there, 2 weeks in. But yeah, it was really hard for me to kind of take that fail. I had the ramen in front of me, and gotta say, once I took my first bite, it wasn't so hard. It really wasn't. So I kept on. But that initial step to taking that first bite, it was really hard for me. But now it's just all downhill from here. Wait, does that mean it's going bad? Yeah. Sure, it'll be fine. Alright. Later. How's it going, people of the internet? As you know, today I started my normal meal plan. I'm still trying to get adjusted back to my normal diet. Not that terrible challenge. It was a terrible challenge. Terrible. Okay, so anyways, in order to readapt to my natural diet, I have here in my Collective Avenue coffee cup some ice cream. Alright, let me taste it. Chip and something. Cream chip. It's not the cookies and cream one. It's damn it. What the hell is it? Something has to do with chips. Oh, chocolate chip. There we go. This chocolate chip ice cream. Not my favorite ice cream. I'm more of a cookies and cream type of guy. Definitely not fudge ice cream. No. Rainbow sherbet. I'm down for that. But chocolate chip doesn't hurt. It's something we usually get. Something my family can agree upon when buying ice cream. We normally don't buy ice cream, but who's playing that damn Mexican music? Nobody likes Mexican music nowadays. Especially not me. Yes, I see you. Oh my gosh, she looked at me. Okay, she's gone. Alright, so, what was I talking about? Okay, it's not my favorite flavor, but I could eat it. It's not like it's disgusting and I don't want to eat it. As you can see. So eating it. So, this is just another baby step to readapting to my normal diet. And, I'm going to be going through this process very, very slowly. Even though this is kind of a big serving, even for me, at this point. My stomach, it feels like it's rejecting the ice cream. And I just want to set this down real quick. Actually, when I had my, what was I eating? I was eating spicy meat. And, my body just felt like I wanted to throw up. I don't know. Okay, I know why. So my body wanted to throw up. Well, it felt like I wanted to throw up. I just feel like I was gonna hurl right then and there. Because I'm adapting to a new kind of vegetarian diet. Because I was eating only rice and beans, and I was only having water, soy milk, regular milk, chocolate milk. So I wasn't eating any meat. So once I got back on just eating a little piece of meat, I just wanted to throw it out. And it kind of tasted nasty. It felt all weird like a couple minutes after I finished. But it's all a process. And we'll see you guys soon with the next meal. Alright, let's go. Alright, face towards me. No, can you see the cat? See the cat over there? Focus on the cat. Get over here.
What if I can't see it?
Did you enjoy it?
Oh yeah, I did. How's it going, people of the internet, of the interwebs? How's it going? So right now it's still July 4th, but the firework popping isn't going to be until later. So for now, I'm going to be practicing some. What the hell was that? I think I got bit while I was sleeping. Damn bugs. That's why I kill them when I see them. Cause I'm thug. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm just gonna practice some knife throwing right now. So These knives aren't mine. Except that one right there. This one. That one's mine. But these throwing knives, these aren't mine. This one's my brother's.
Ooh.
They recently went to Anime Expo a couple days ago. It was actually this week. Oh, this weekend. And they got these. Really nice. Holy crap.
Ooh.
Okay, so I haven't got that dexterity for it. And then this one, this is my cousin's. He has a freaking kunai. What? Pretty sick, right? Oh, let me take that off. Oh, can you get that for me, please? Put it there. Alright, and we're gonna be throwing it at this. There. Oh my god, so messy. So, stand back, please. Yes, run, you little chicken leg nugget. So, watch art in the making. Trying to do this one-handed. And there we go, that's the target. And we do one over here as well. So these boxes I actually got when I went to go buy some fireworks. Came in a big old box. She's just hiding in there. Sister. Oh, let's get that in the middle. Perfect. Alright, now let's get to it. Ready? Oh, yeah, it's a ball. Duh. I get out the way?
I mean, how you find out? Do you have to? I thought there was two. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. You could do this. Look, Donnie. You can even do this. Wow.
Here, can I see this?
Hi. Go on. You get one top.
Whoa!
Right.
Whoa!
I like this one and those.
Yep.
I thought they were going to get a diamond.
It does look good. As you may know, I am Donnie. If you do not know, that means you haven't been watching my videos, which also means you probably haven't subscribed. So, what I want you to do is cruise your way down to the subscribe button. It's like red and it says subscribe. Yeah. So, on your device, whether it's a phone, you just tap it, or if it's a computer, you just move your mouse to it, and you click it, make sure it says subscribed. And if you want, okay? I'm not really forcing you, but I would appreciate it if you set the alarm, like, so that way you get a notice for. Oh, my little sister. She wants to get up there to the roof. So set up the alarm, so that way it could notify you when I post up a video. So right now I am on top of my roof. Now you may be asking yourself, why the crap are you on your roof? Well, it's very simple. I'm eating, what is this, lunch? I think it's lunch. Yeah, because I'm going to eat later. Lunch. So what I have here, it's my favorite. It's a hot link. I love hot links. You see that? That's a hot link and chicken. Chicken's kind of sweating, but that's fine. And paper. I think that's styrofoam plate and plastic fork, because we don't like using dinner chopsticks when we have more than one guest at our home. So we just buy a pack of plastic forks, spoons, and knives. It's like, here, use this. Throw it away when you're done. I don't want your germs on my freaking mouths. Okay, and I got a Simple Truth water. We drink every day with electrolytes. Okay, so if I look shadowy, that's because I have my backpack in front of me, because it's so windy up here. I picked the worst place to vlog. But this is where I'm going to be coming up later because it's the day of fireworks. Well, I know it's Independence Day, but for us, it's just firework day. So what I do is I get up on top of my roof, I'll lay down here, and it's usually at night, and I just stare up into the skies where you just see the sky just lighted by all these beautiful colors. The green over there, purple over there, and sometimes you just see all of them all at once in one go. It's just awesome, beautiful, genial. How? So that's what I'm going to be doing, and well, I ate some chicken earlier today, and my body's not really used to so much protein going in. I know there was some protein going into my body from the rice and the beans and the milk and lemonade. I think tea has protein, which is like very little, like maybe half a gram. But not as much as like meat can provide for you. A few bites, I just felt stuffed. I felt stuffed and I didn't want to eat anymore. So I just laid it down, came back to it like a couple minutes later. But yeah, it's like harder than I thought coming back to it, readapting to my normal diet. But I'd rather my normal diet than the rice and beans every single day. Mostly because I would be unmotivated to do certain things. I would get dizzy sometimes. I just wouldn't want to eat. Like just last time, I only ate one bowl of rice and deprived my body of any more nutrients and what it really needs. Even though I was getting it from liquids, and I don't think you're supposed to do that. But even though I still need to readapt to my normal diet, I still very glad that I had the challenge because I was getting super ripped. I mean, you guys should have seen my muscles. I was looking in the mirror. I was like, whoa, where'd those come from? You can see the separation between my muscles. Like my abs are popping and my shoulder had the separation in between them. Yeah, I look really, really nice. Whoa. Yeah, see? They're already popping on now. Beats by Donnie. No respect. I'm not a beatboxer. I try to be. No respect. Alright, so I'm gonna eat my food, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye! Holy crap.
acquaintance be forgot and never brought to